What is this node? The random environment is cool. It's a random environment preset. Check out this node. This is Apex Prompt, a new node I built. It works like a normal prompt node, but with extra features built in. Before we take a look at the presets, let's talk a random feature in Apex Prompt. If you wrap a list of words inside square brackets, separate commas, Apex Prompt will randomly choose one result without changing your prompt.
Each time I needed to write a prompt, I had to type long descriptions or switch over to ChatGPT to expand it for a specific model like Flux, Crea, or an image-to-video model. It quickly became an inconvenience, constantly jumping back and forth between applications. Even running a local LLM inside ComfyUI isn't ideal. It can take several seconds or even minutes just to enhance a prompt. When you're experimenting and doing quick tests, you need a prompt instantly, not after waiting for an LLM to finish processing. That's exactly why I created the Apex Prompt presets. They generate high-quality, model-specific prompts instantly, so you can spend less time writing prompts and more time creating.
Let's say you've written a prompt, but you want to test it with different subjects. Just place the subjects inside square brackets separated by commas. Every time the prompt runs, Apex Prompt randomly picks one option from each set of brackets. Each run will pick randomly the woman, the man, or the tiger, elephant, or monkey. You can make longer prompts, not just a word, or even a sentence. These are some images generated.
All of these were generated using the random prompt feature, along with the random environment presets. I didn't have to type long prompts or keep editing them for every generation. It automatically creates different combinations, making it perfect for quickly exploring ideas and testing concepts. Next, let's take a look at the random environment presets. Now, let's load the Apex Prompt node. The generated result appears in the combined prompt output. Simply connect that output to your model's prompt input. If you only need the environment or lighting, you can also use the dedicated environment output socket. The prompt input works just like any other text field in ComfyUI. Simply type your prompt, and the node will automatically combine it with the selected presets. Here, I'll type a simple prompt, a man sitting on a park bench. Then, for the environment, I'll choose the Misty Forest Path preset. For the lighting, I'll select volumetric moonlight, and for the style, I'll choose photorealistic because I want a realistic image instead of an anime-style image. I'll also add a preview text node so we can see the generated prompt before it's sent to the model. As you can see, I only typed a few simple words, but the node instantly generated a complete, detailed prompt that's ready to use. We get a result of a man sitting on a park bench at night, surrounded by a foggy forest with beautiful volumetric moonlight. Now I'll keep the exact same prompt and environment, but change only the lighting preset. This time, we get a beautiful window lighting setup. Next, let's switch to the sunset golden hour lighting. Notice how the same subject and the same environment now have a completely different mood and atmosphere. That's the advantage of using presets. You don't have to rewrite your entire prompt every time. Simply change the environment or the lighting, and you can quickly explore different looks in just a few clicks. Now let's try something different. I'll set the environment, lighting, and style presets to random and generate a few images. This is a great way to quickly explore different combinations and discover creative results you might not have thought of. With just a few clicks, every generation gets a fresh look without changing your original prompt. Let's see what we get. Apart from the combined prompt output, let's connect all of the individual output sockets as well and preview them. Here you can see the environment prompt, lighting prompt, style prompt, and even the lens prompt. Each component is generated separately, making it easy to preview exactly what each preset contributes to the final prompt. This also makes debugging much easier because you can inspect or use each section independently. The Apex Prompt node is designed to be flexible, allowing you to quickly build prompts, mix and match presets, and take advantage of randomization without having to rewrite everything from scratch. That's all for today. You'll find the workflow in the description below, so be sure to check it out and give it a try. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more ComfyUI workflows, tips, and AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.